let's try to solve one of the equation of log here. So if this is log 2 and this is log 8, how to solve that? So we change log 2 to log 8 or log 8 to log 2. So it's better or is easier to change the bigger number to the smaller number. So how to change to log 2? It become log 2 over log 2, and then you write down here 2m, this value, and 8 below here. Okay, then you rewrite log 2m equals 3. And then since this is all numbers, you can calculate the value. So I will write down somewhere here, log 2 8 become log 2 2 to the power of 3. Okay, and then using the rules of log, you bring the 3 to the front, it become 3 log 2 2. So the value of log 2 2 is 1. So it's 3 times 1 equals 3. So the value here will be 3. Now we have log 2m minus log 2m over 3 equals 3. Now we have equal log or log of the same value, log 2 and log 2. And then in order to simplify the equation, whether this is equation of log or not, you eliminate the fraction. How to eliminate fraction? You multiply by 3 in this case because the denominator is 3. So 3 times log 2m will be 3 log 2m. 3 times log 2m over 3 will become log 2m equals to 3 times 3 equals to 9. Okay, so and then what you have to do, you can simplify on this left side. Make sure we have only one log left. And before we can simplify this, you have to make sure there's no number in front of the log. So we have to bring the 3 to the top of m, so it becomes log 2m to the power of 3 minus log 2m equals 9. So now we can simplify log minus log, and the number, these are the numbers, become divide. So log 2m power 3 over 2m equals 9. So from here, there are okay, first I will simplify m power 3 with m, with 2m. So I can cut here because m power 3 means m. I can cut with the m, so what is left is m power 2. Okay. Now coming back to how we change equation of indices to log. Let us review a little bit. If we have 81 is equals to 3 to the power of 4, so the number here will become log. So if we write log 3 81 equals 4. So similarly here, we move this 2 here and then 2 to the power of 9. So we have m squared over 2 equals 2 to the power of 9. Okay, that is one solution. So you calculate what is 2 to the power of 9, which is 512, then times 2. So you have m squared equals to 1024. So m will be the square root of, so it becomes square root of 1024 will be 32. But then there is another way how to solve this. Okay, that is okay. So another way is that, because so sometimes you have equation of indices which involve numbers where you cannot make it similar bases. So we have 7 power x equals 4 to the power of 2x minus 5, for example. So you substitute, you write down log 10 7 power x equals to log 10 4 to the power of 2x minus 5. So similarly, if you have log on the left side, on the right side, you can just cut the both of log, then you can get back to the to this pattern. So what I mean by this case is that instead of writing it down like this, you can write down log on the right side. So, but then you have to follow the log here, 9 log 2. So if you simplify on the left side, you have log 2 m power 3 over 2m, where you can cut this also. You have here log 2 to the power of 9. So in this case, you cut log 2 with log 2. What is left is m squared over 2 equals 2 to the power of 9. And after that, similar step, that is 512 times 2. So m will be square root of 1024, which is 32.